Very good morning to all my dear friends. Once again, I am all very excited and delighted here to be in front of you. Dear friends, you go to the markets to buy vegetables, fruits, and whatever. But have you ever gone with torn clothes, with half shaven head, with dirty makeup? Will you go? I am sure you will never go. But today we are going to learn a story. In this story, there is a main character, and his name is Gopal. He goes to the market to buy a big hilsa fish, but he goes there with half shaven beard, with torn clothes, with dirty makeup. Why does he go there? That's why you will have to learn today's topic, which is a comical story, and the name of the topic is Gopal and the Hilsa fish. As I told you that this is a comics, so you must know first of all what are comics. Comics are the books that contain stories told mainly through pictures using speech bubbles. So here there are the characters in this comical story, and here there are the speech bubbles. You can see these are called the speech bubbles, and with the help of these speech bubbles these characters speak. For example, this woman is saying, how much did you pay for that hilsa? This man is saying, you wouldn't believe if I told you. So in this way the characters speak with one another, with each other, using the speech bubbles. So this is what we call comics. Before going to pay attention in the main story, here there is the list of the difficult words. You may note them down in your notebooks. Hilsa, it is a type of a fish. Fishmongers, that is people who deal with the business of selling fish. Courtiers, that is people working in the king's court. Believe, that is trust. Vishwas, downcast, looking down with shame. लज्जा से अपना सर नीचे झुकाना, दैट इज डाउनकास्ट. लॉस्ट टेम्पर, दैट इज गॉट एंग्री, गुस्सा आना. ह्यूज, वेरी बिग. स्मियरिंग, दैट इज टू कवर with something. Disgraceful, that is shameful. Comical, that is funny. Crazy, mad. Lost mind, that is became mad. Ridiculous, funny. Strangely, here surprisingly. So pay attention to the story. It was the season for hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but hilsa fish. So you can see these are the fishermen, and they are moving in their boats and they are collecting the hilsa fish. It being the season of hilsa fish, all people were discussing about the hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but hilsa fish. Come buy the price of hilsa fish. It is down today. This man is advertising the hilsa fish. Householders could talk of nothing but hilsa fish. This woman is asking this man. You can see, how much did you pay for the hilsa? The man is saying, you would not believe if I told you. So everywhere all the people were discussing about the hilsa fish. Men were discussing about the hilsa fish, women were discussing about the hilsa fish, fishermongers were discussing about the hilsa fish, buyers were discussing about the hilsa fish, and sellers were also talking about the hilsa fish. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but hilsa fish. In the king's court, this is the court of the king, and this is a courtier. You can see here in the picture, he is also talking about the hilsa fish. Everyone was talking about the hilsa fish. So what is this man saying? Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge hilsa I caught. It was. He even did not complete the sentence. Courtiers in the king's palace were also discussing about the hilsa fish. Then the king got angry. Stop it! The king shouted. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The king was so fed up with the talk of hilsa fish that he got angry. And as everybody was discussing about the hilsa fish, the king got very annoyed because no other topic was there. The only topic which was being discussed by one and all was Hilsa fish. So the king got very angry with the courtier. The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. And everybody was now looking down with sorry figure. And this man who spoke about the Hilsa fish also looked down. And at that time, the king felt sorry. Then he said, I'm sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish, and no one. All the courtiers were looking downcast as the king got angry, who later felt sorry for his anger. So you can see here the king felt sorry for his anger. He said that I'm sorry. It means he begged the pardon of the courtiers. And he also says that he lost his temper. He lost his temper, that is, he got angry. And here you can see no one. The sentence is unfinished. What is the sentence? Pay attention. No one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about the Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. So the king gave the challenge. The king threw the challenge at Gopal. And what was the challenge? That he should stop people from talking about the Hilsa fish at least for 5 minutes. And Gopal accepted the challenge of the king with modesty, with humbleness. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. Then what was the king's real challenge? That Gopal should bring a big hilsa fish, a huge hilsa fish to the palace, and no one should ask even a single word about the hilsa fish to गोपाल. राजा ने चुनौती दी गोपाल को कि उसने एक बहुत बड़ी हिल्सा फिश लानी है और उसको किसी ने एक शब्द भी हिल्सा फिश के बारे में नहीं पूछना है. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal accepted the challenge of the king. King challenges Gopal to bring a hilsa fish to the palace without anyone asking him a word about it, which Gopal accepts readily. A few days later, कुछ दिनों के बाद क्या हुआ देखिए. This is Gopal's wife and this is Gopal himself. Why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. उसकी पत्नी उसे पूछती है, Why is your face half shaven? आधी आपने दाढ़ी क्यों की है? गोपाल का उत्तर है, मैं हिल्सा फिश लाने के लिए, मुझे फिश लानी है और वो फिश लाने के लिए मैं मेकअप कर रहा हूँ, ड्रेसअप कर रहा हूँ. What is the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? This woman is asking Gopal because Gopal has smeared his face with ash. You can see in this pot there is ash. And Gopal has covered his face with ash. I told you, I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. Gopal does a strange makeup to buy a hilsa fish. So you can see here how Gopal has done the makeup to buy the huge hilsa fish. Listen to me. Please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? The wife of Gopal was calling out from behind. And what was she saying? Oh, please don't go out in such tattered clothes. These are the torn clothes. These are the disgraceful rags. You can see here how the dress of Gopal is. You can see the dress of Gopal is torn. So Gopal was going to buy a hilsa fish wearing such torn dress and his face is half shaven. How many times must I tell you, woman, I am going to buy a huge hilsa fish? And Gopal told his wife that he was going to buy a huge hilsa fish by wearing such torn dress, by half shaving his beard. It has happened to him He has gone mad, and his wife is saying that her husband had gone mad. Gopal half shaves his face and wears a torn dress to buy a hilsa fish. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Then Gopal bought a hilsa fish and now he is on his way to the palace. You can see all the people are looking at Gopal. So what this child is saying, mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? Isn't he looking funny? And that boy is laughing at him. In the market, everyone laughs at Gopal for his madness. Look how he is walking. People are discussing about Gopal. He must be a madman. Shh, I think he is a mystic. Mystic, that is secret. Some secret plan must be going on in his mind. This man is speaking. When Gopal reached the court, the guards at the door of the court, king's palace, stopped Gopal. What do you want? I want to see the king, Gopal said. Palace where he is not allowed to enter. You can't see the king. Get away with you. The courtier spoke rudely with Gopal. Gopal began to sing and dance loudly. Then Gopal began to sing and dance loudly. After being refused to enter the palace, Gopal started dancing and singing loudly to attract the king's attention. Why was he dancing and singing? Because he wanted to attract the king's attention so that the king would call him inside the palace. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. So these words, these sentences were being heard by the king inside the court. Bring that man to me at once, the king ordered the guard. Yes, your majesty. The king ordered his guards to bring Gopal inside the court. Gopal was brought before the king by the guard. Now Gopal is in front of the king face to face. And the courtiers are surprised. It's Gopal. Everyone was surprised to see Gopal in disgraceful appearance. So how is this appearance? Disgraceful, shameful. और ये कैसा उसका appearance है? ये है शर्मनाक, लज्जास्पद. So here also people are talking about Gopal. The man has lost his mind. पागल हो गया है वो. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. और मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि उसका ये कुछ ना कुछ joke है. Courtiers react differently to Gopal's appearance and his behavior. All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? The king now got angry with Gopal. Why have you worn this disgraceful dress? Why are you such ridiculous? Why are you so funny? क्या है ये? राजा ने पूछा. Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. गोपाल ने कहा राजा को, महाराजाधिराज आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं. The king asks Gopal the reason for his strange dress up and appearance. Something forgotten? The king tried to remember. राजा ने सोचने का प्रयास किया कि वो क्या भूल गया. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken about a word about hilsa fish. Then Gopal brought to the knowledge of the king that it was very strange that not a single person spoke about the hilsa fish, even a word about the hilsa fish. Gopal brought this hilsa fish from the market to the palace, but not a soul. It means not a single person asked him about the hilsa fish. So in this way, Gopal successfully completed his challenge given to him by the king. Gopal shows the hilsa fish to the king and brings to his notice that no one asked him about the hilsa fish. राजा को गोपाल ने बताया कि मैंने मार्केट से लेकर कोर्ट तक हिल्सा फिश लाई, लेकिन मुझे एक भी व्यक्ति ने हिल्सा फिश के बारे में पूछा नहीं. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. At that time, the king remembered the challenge. Ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. Everyone starts laughing after knowing Gopal's brilliant idea to complete the challenge, and the king praises Gopal too. And the king also praises Gopal. राजा ने भी गोपाल की प्रशंसा की और उसको बहुत बहुत बधाई दी कि उसने उसका जो चैलेंज है वो सक्सेसफुली पूरा किया. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the lesson. You also might have smiled and laughed. Now, I am going to ask you some questions on the topic. Please try to answer these questions. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why did the king want no more talk about the Hilsa fish? What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? This was the second question. Third question. What three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his Hilsa fish? How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the Hilsa fish? गोपाल को जब गार्ड्स अलाउ नहीं कर रहे थे भीतर जाने के लिए तो उसने क्या किया अंदर जाने के लिए. दिस वॉज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. And the question number last is explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. और लास्ट प्रश्न है आपको बताना है कि गोपाल जब हिल्सा फिश लेकर आया तो किसी ने उसको हिल्सा फिश के बारे में क्यों नहीं पूछा. सो हियर द presentation stops. I hope you liked the video, you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Please like it, subscribe it and share it. May God bless all of you.